Hello kids! Welcome to day 16 of our online reading tutorial for children. This is letter U, capital or big letter U. Small letter U. U says, oh, oh. Say it again, kids. Oh. Umbrella. Oh. Undershirt. Oh. Up. Oh. Umpire. Oh. There is another sound of letter U. The sound is U. Same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, U, ukulele. U, uniform. U, utensils. U, unicorn. U. Let's read the pictures. Umbrella. Uniform. Undershirt. Umpire. Up. Unicorn. Utensils. Ukulele. Now, let's give the beginning letter sound of each picture. The sounds can be O or U. O. U. O. 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 U. 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 Now kids, it's your turn. Are you ready? Good job. Letter J. J says J. J. Say it again, kids. Good job. J. J is for jacket. Jar. Jellyfish. Jet. Jeep. Jump. Jog. Jail. It's your turn to read, kids. Good job. A or U. J. J. Now, can you give the beginning letter sound of the following pictures? Are you ready? Let's check. J. O. J. O. 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 J. J. Let's read the words. O. On. On. Uh, up, up. S, us, us. Let's read more. Sun, bun, fun, jug, bug, hug. Now it's your turn, kids. Good job, kids.